Have you ever wondered why Python is so popular? Why it's the go-to language for many beginners and professionals alike? Well, you're about to uncover the reasons behind Python's fame and learn some of its basics. Python, a high-level interpreted programming language, has been in the programming world since the year 1991. Its creator, Guido van Rossum, designed it with readability and simplicity in mind. And in the decades that followed, Python has proven to be a language that's not just easy to learn, but also incredibly powerful. So, ready to dive into the world of Python? It's high time we unraveled its syntax and usage. Python uses an easy-to-understand syntax. Unlike many languages, it doesn't rely on curly braces or semicolons. Instead, Python uses indentation to define a block of code. A block starts with an increase in indentation and ends with a decrease in indentation. This makes the code cleaner and easier to read. Now, imagine you want to print a message on the screen. In Python, you can do it with a simple command, print. To print "Hello World," you just need to type print "Hello World." See how straightforward it is? That's Python for you. Variables in Python are also easy to handle. You don't need to specify a variable's type beforehand. If you want to store the number 5 in a variable named num, you just type num = 5. Python automatically understands that num is an integer. Output. But Python isn't all about simplicity. It's also about power. Python boasts a wide array of libraries and frameworks, making it a versatile language for different domains. From web development with Django to data science with pandas and NumPy, Python has got you covered. To summarize, Python is a popular programming language due to its readability, simplicity, and power. Its syntax is clean and easy to understand. It uses indentation to define blocks of code. Printing a message on the screen is as simple as using the print command. Variables don't require a type specification, and Python's extensive libraries make it a versatile language for various domains. So, whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of programming, or a seasoned professional seeking a powerful yet straightforward language, Python is definitely worth considering. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing, so go ahead and start coding in Python. It won't be long before you appreciate its beauty and power.